And again, Instagram has launched something new, so called close friend feature. And yeah, it is an amazing and much needed feature on Instagram. In this video, I will show you what is this feature and how to use it. So let's roll the intro. A close friend is a feature where you can share your private story only with them, because some story isn't for everyone. Open your profile, click on 3 bar on the top right corner. You will find a close friends option here. Click on it and there is a list of suggestions from Instagram. You can add your friends manually to the close friends list. You can also search from here. When you complete with your adding list, your added list is here in your list tab, where you can see who is added here. After this, click on done on the top right corner. Okay, so this work is done. Let's put a story. Open a normal story option. Click your story. Then there is a close friend option below. Click it and your story is posted only for your close friends. And when you upload close friend story, your close friends see the green ring instead of pink and purple one. And when they open it, they saw close friend option on the top right corner, and when they click on close friend, they see this. So that's it for this video. Hope you will like and subscribe.